So we have OpenBox backpacks. You can get a brand new one, but it's missing the box for $179 USD. No cosmetic wear. You can get a used like new with minor cosmetic wear, and used A grade with moderate cosmetic wear. And we've got, oh, that one's sold out apparently. Oh, okay. All we have left is new boxes. Well,
I was able to find one cosmetic wear, but that was on the inside of the backpack. Outside of the backpack was pristine. No issues whatsoever, no scratches, no rips, no actual sign of wear or tear. I did notice the zipper here was slightly bent to the side. I believe this is the ones that cause issues on the forum. However, they can be easily replaced with the appropriate tool. Other than that, no other issues with any other zipper, just this one.
the point is, we
Classic LTT store.
introduced that deal. Oh boy. Well, hold on. There's got to be more, right? There's a used backpack between both of you to show off. Well,
Nice.
We should probably get this to the shipment team so that they can put it up for sale, because
Yeah.
apparently the rest of them are sold out.